Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Meteorologist Justin Fanfrelli here in the NBC Nebraska Weather Center with another update on the blizzard conditions that are making their way through the viewing area. Let's take a look at the Regional West weather camera in Scottsbluff. As of right now, the snow has continued to fall. As you can see, very little visibility across the region right now, making travel treacherous. Here's a look at the wind speed, mainly northwest, but winds are sustained now around 30 miles per hour in most places, with wind gusts in the 40 to 45 mile per hour range. Let's take a look at the visibility across the region. We're still reporting zero visibility out toward Kimball and Sidney. Scottsbluff and Chadron about a quarter-mile visibility. Most everybody else has visibilities of less than 1 mile. So traveling really not a good idea across the region. Most roads across the Panhandle are either closed or impassable. Blizzard warning in effect for all of our Nebraska counties, stretching all the way to the I-25 corridor. That goes all the way until Wednesday at 11 p.m. Now, even though the snow should stop falling by early Wednesday, we think there's going to be ground blizzard conditions. The snow that has fallen through the day on Wednesday could still reduce visibilities enough to warrant a blizzard warning, winter storm warnings as you make your way from Wheatland, Chugwater out toward the Laramie area, also until Wednesday at 11 p.m. Here's a look at the current Doppler radar. We're still tracking a dry slot, especially from Gordon down toward Oshkosh, and now dry with mostly cloudy skies from Alliance to Bridgeport and Dalton, but still some moderate to heavy snow from Chadron and from Scottsbluff down toward the Harrisburg area and down toward Kimball and out toward LaGrange in Wyoming. So we're still seeing the snow coming down across the central portion of our viewing area and up towards Chadron, down toward Kimball, so definitely be aware of that. We're going to have on and off periods of light snow, some dry slots in there too as we make our way through the evening and through the overnight. Then the snow should start to taper off, but the wind will still be whipping as we go through the day tomorrow. Temperatures into the upper teens and lower 20s. Very cold out there for trying to remove the snow, so there could still be some ground blizzard conditions through the day tomorrow and still some snow showers. When all is said and done, here is the additional snowfall amount. Combine this with what has already fallen, and we still think there could be another 3 to 6 inches. The Scottsbluff, Bridgeport area, 1 to 3 inches from Alliance out toward Oshkosh. Now, we still, from Harrisburg down toward Kimball, could still pick up another 9 to 12 inches from this one. That's where the strongest band is, and we think the most snow is going to fall between Chadron and Gordon just off to the south, where another 9 to maybe even as much as 15 inches are possible from this system. So, as I said before, traveling really not a good idea. Most of the roads across the Panhandle are closed. We'll keep you updated as we go through the rest of the afternoon. Have a full report tonight on the 6 o'clock news. Until then, we're going to send it back to regular programming.
First met at SNL. Look at you now. You guys are up first.
Married with 4 kids.
Exactly. Let's take a